What does it take to handle millions of square feet of manufacturing space and serve hundreds of customers while shipping millions of parts a year at MORryde? MORryde invests in your success so we can grow together. From engineering and design to cutting, bending, welding, machining, powder coating, and assembly. MORryde is a full-service fabricator equipped to handle your needs. If you need a partner, you've found one. We are a family-owned company built on integrity, character, hard work, and innovation. At MORryde, fabrication isn't just what we do, it's what we've refined for over 60 years.
We fabricate using a broad range of metals, from hot and cold rolled steel to stainless and aluminum.
With over 25 flatbed lasers and automated material handling systems, we deliver unmatched production capacity. The tower system, with 950 unique material locations, feeds our lasers and works in tandem with our automated sorting system. Our advanced tube lasers bring complex designs to life with speed and accuracy, handling large and small diameters and intricate 5-axis cuts with ease up to 12 inches in diameter. With more than 40 press brakes, including robotic cells, we form parts with consistency, efficiency, and repeatable precision. Our in-house machining department includes a multitude of CNC mills, lathes, profile routers, and CNC routers to meet your machining needs. From over 25 robotic welding cells to AWS certified welders, we combine automation with craftsmanship, delivering strength, consistency, and quality you can trust. Our in-house finishing and powder coating systems ensure every product not only performs, but looks the part. MORryde coats over 1 million parts every month.
What really sets MORryde apart is how we work with our customers. We believe that strong partnerships drive better results.
That's why our sales and engineering teams work side by side with you, offering responsive support, clear communication, and real collaboration from day one. At MORryde, we're more than a manufacturer, we're a partner. We don't just take orders, we help refine designs, improve manufacturability, and find more efficient ways to bring your product to life. Your goals become our goals, and we stay engaged every step of the way to ensure the final results exceeds expectations. Our engineering team works alongside you to refine designs, improve efficiency, and bring ideas to life faster and smarter. Every product is backed by advanced inspection processes, including 2D and 3D scanning, ensuring the highest level of quality and consistency. Because at MORryde, it's not just about building parts, it's about building relationships that last.
Driven by customer service.
Powered by innovation.
And built on family values.